Since becoming Meta, Facebook's parent company has lost US $650 billion in market value. Well, listen. Listen.
This is so much money.
This has not been a good time for Meta or Mark, but it also hasn't been a good time in general.
Yeah.
Which is important to note.
It's a cascading event.
So, what can I say? I mean, this transition is one of the most interesting ones in my lifetime. From one of the most major players in the tech space, still one of the most major players in the tech space, the biggest social media company, and a competitor to the likes of Google, now Alphabet, the competitor, you put them in the same conversation as the likes of Apple and whoever, just a mega, remember when they used to do Congress would have the tech CEOs? It's always going to be Zuckerberg and you got Sundar and Jeff. They go to the same guys.
Yeah.
In that range. And then all of a sudden they say, oh, we're Meta. Oh, it's all about the metaverse. Apple, screw off with your privacy stuff. And we're not just an ad company. Like, that's a massive transition to say that it was weird when they bought Oculus. But that was it was kind of on the fringe at the time. It was like, oh, just one more thing they're going to do. Then it became core to the identity, and it started to appear to be the only thing that Mark cared about, at least promotionally speaking. He's constantly promoting this metaverse. That's his deal. And that's tough, right, for shareholders and the market in general, and guys like you, Will, and you just sit there and go, well, I don't know about this company right now. I'm curious what's going on. And then you got employees coming and going. Then you get reports that they're saying, hey, be useful or just please leave. They start saying to their employees, you know how many employees these guys have?
Yeah. And they don't even like using the Meta products themselves because they're forced to go into these VR workrooms. And they don't want to do that.
Is that what they said? Did you read a report?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It has been exactly 1 year to the day since Facebook's parent company rebranded as Meta. And in that time, the company has entered financial freefall. Comparing the market value of Meta when it was first announced October 28th, 2021, with today, the company has shrunk by an astonishing $650 billion. Shares in Meta crashed 24% on Thursday to 97.94, sinking its stock to the lowest it's been in nearly 4 years. Mark Zuckerberg, the CEO of Facebook, saw his own personal fortune drop by US $11 billion after the stock plummet, according to Forbes, which downgraded him from 25th richest person in the world to 29th at the market close. Since changing its name to Meta and investing heavily to create the metaverse, a virtual reality world, Facebook's parent company has been plagued with woes starting from the beginning of 2022 to now. The company has shed 70% of its value. I don't know, Will. This metaverse thing, it seems really competitive. I know he said that they're in this philosophical war against meat stock.
Sorry.
Wait, is there a company? Oh, Modern Plant-Based Foods. Oh, okay. On the CNSX as the ticker is meat. That's interesting. Headquarters in Vancouver. I guess that's a Canadian company there, Will. Yeah. Anyway, the little sidetrack. But yeah, what's going on with this metaverse, Will? How close are we?
For what? Adoption?
Yeah.
Mass adoption?
Yeah. When are they trying to get me in the metaverse? When are they trying to get me strapped in 24/7?
24/7?
That's right.
It'll be a very long time, unfortunately.
In my lifetime?
Yeah, maybe. On the tail end.
Oh, the tail end. So I'm like old and I just want to relive experiences, and I'm lying there in some sort of virtual coma. Is that what you just advertised to me?
Yeah.
You think that'll do? Then the stock price will go up. Enjoy your virtual coma, courtesy of Meta Labs.
That's some Black Mirror stuff.
Yeah, ignore all that pain. Come on in to get sedated, and you know how you can picture all this.
Yeah, very clean.
Yeah,
modern.
Virtual coma.
Ugh, scary.
Virtual coma. Isn't that what you're gonna do, Will?
I hope not.
And then
I
this.
don't. Oh God.
I may have just spoiled your. I may have just spoiled your copyright, but that was the sound of your virtual coma.
When I drift off,
That's right.
the sound.
And it keeps like it's a filter, and you keep going deeper underwater.
It's like,
You know
wait
how-
a minute, I'm starting to regret this decision.
It starts getting more muffled and distorted, and it's just like everything's turning into spirals. Don't you love your virtual coma, Will?
Oh God.
It's like chopped and screwed.